What is that?
Don't you know what that is? It's an audio device.
Ah, I see.
Let's face it. Are you gonna tell me your name or what?
I'd rather not. It's quite boring. What's in a name anyway? Besides, we both know that my name is not the reason you are here.
You're right. February 3rd in Atlanta. New England 13, Los Angeles 3. NASDAQ, down 400. Typhoon hit Southeast Asia weeks before the start of the rainy season, surprisingly meteorologists all around the globe.
Pretty common gossip.
Sports scores. Yeah? Weather predictions? Election results? And murders? You sent these to me days, weeks, months before you could possibly know about it.
I have been quite busy.
You're right. I don't care about your name. I want to know how you did this.
The answer is easy, my friend. I'm from the future.